So I guess, from a private equity perspective, I think marketing is essential, especially, scaling up is a really sexy word in the private equity jargon, and, if a restaurant wants to expand from maybe a single geography to a regional player, I think one of, like in addition to all the processes and the teams and the other challenges, I think it has to manage the marketing fairly efficiently. There are different sources, there are different mediums, some new age, some traditional. But what I feel that people are lacking, that they're sticking with fairly traditional sort of sources. They've tried going on TV, they've tried doing radio, they've tried doing print. What actually happens is, although uh, uh, the efficiency of that reach is pretty good in terms of the number of customers you actually reach, but the effectiveness is really poor. In terms of the conversions that you actually make eventually. People have tried out loyalty programs, and honestly, I'm of the belief, in the restaurant industry, loyalty programs has actually not worked. Primarily, at least point-based marketing, point-based loyalty programs, are more, with respect to where, the consumer experience is more, standard, the frequency is very high, and especially, with the faddish nature of the restaurant industry, you need to have something more. So I guess, you need to probably engage more with the customer. You need to communicate with the customer, rather than just informing the customer of something. And that's where I guess many of the companies are still lacking. So, as I was mentioning earlier, I think at least from a restaurant scenario, restaurants industry per se, I think points-based loyalty systems have clearly not worked. These are more suited to maybe industries like airline and any retail sort of where what the consumer actually purchases is very standard. And the frequency is high. The average purchase prices are higher. So that's one point. However, what has worked in India is probably a coupon-based sort of a loyalty program. Domino's has really done a good job, on that front. Where at least it ensures that a customer comes to a Domino's at least once. He goes and he tries out a new product, based on that strategy. However, it's a double-edged sword. You tend to become more loyal to a coupon rather than maybe a brand, right? So that's something that one needs to manage a little efficiently. However, I feel at least from a cafe perspective, that's something that could work. Starbucks does a star program, globally, and that's worked out fairly well for them. I think CCD tried something, but probably it's not taken off. So probably people have to rethink in terms of what their strategy with respect to a loyalty program is. First analyze the customer data. Do some sort of a more focus sort of a TG sort of a marketing. Yeah. Mobile is clearly the new rage. You're reading in the morning that almost 90% of the kids actually sleep with mobile on the side. So clearly things are moving to a small screen. SMSs, as Anjan pointed out, there are very innovative marketing strategies. Recently Airtel, Vodafone started a targeting SMS sort of a product where, let's say for example, you're around Connaught Place or you're around Andheri at 12:30. There's going to be an SMS which comes to you that if you're hungry, why don't you just drop down to our restaurants. We are serving some special offer on, there's a special chef over there. I think that's a great product. Most of the restaurant companies actually come up with their app, like Domino's has one, Pizza Hut has one. What it ensures is, once I've downloaded an app, right, it's that brand is definitely going to be in my consideration set, where I'm ordering the next time. And obviously, you have details, you can run all sorts of analysis which you guys typically do. So I think it's kind of changing the way people are looking at marketing. With even on your phones now that you have Zomato, you have Food Panda. I mean, even personally, before I try a new restaurant, I quickly go over there. Just check the reviews. I see what kind of cuisine they serve. I mean, I know I've already made up my mind. Something about that restaurant. Whether good, bad, ugly. What am I going to order there? And it's just like a small gadget in my piece of hand. So